Hello, good morning. This is Room Service Department. This is Rufino speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Divine Grace and room 314.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order now, may I take your order now?
Can I order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea?
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? Your order, American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.
Oh. Yes?
Good day, ma'am. I am Rufino, your room service for today. Is this the room of Miss Angel Aquino with room 305?
Yes.
May I come in? Thank you, ma'am. Would you like to place your food? Would you like to set up the table for you?
No.
Would you like me to open your curtain for you?
No.
Is this the aircon temperature okay? Or would you like to adjust it?
Yes.
Would you like me to turn on the TV for you?
No.